welcome to another decoupage video. This time we're gonna make a Christmas medallion. So firstly I applied 2 layers of white paint, let it dry. Then I have this cute image, Christmas image, which I tear up in few places, applied little bit of decoupage glue onto the ornament itself, and then I place the image on, and then I seal it with more decoupage glue, making sure no excess of the glue is there. And when I have seen a wrinkle is forming, I just tear up a little bit more inside the rice paper. Then I let it all dry. And after it was dry, it was time to paint a little bit. So I am going also inside the rice paper for better blending, and I'm trying to blend my ornament the best way possible. Then with small brush, a little bit of paint and water, I applied dots on my ornament, and then I let it dry. After it was dry, I applied my trusted glitter decoupage glue, and then again I let it dry. After this was dry, it was time to seal my ornament, so I used pouring glaze. Of course, you can use varnish as well, and I applied 4 to 5 layers and let it dry between each layer. Then it was time to decorate the other side of my medallion. So for this I use some air drying clay and some molds. So firstly, as you can see, I am applying this one, and I am gluing it all with express glue from Pentart. And again, all materials that I use will be listed in description box below. And if I cannot find the same exact mold or paint or something I use, I will be putting something similar to it. So after it was glued, I applied some trees on it as well for another decor. So otherwise it would be just plain wood looking ornament. And then I decorated it a little bit more with some cute presents and jingle bell and a nice little cute teddy bear. After everything was glued, I let it dry, and when my clay was dry, it was time to paint it all. So firstly, I applied brown paint around, and I took off any excess of the paint with wet towel. And then it was also time to paint those trees, gifts, teddy bear, and jingle bell as well. And did you know that if you don't want to make them yourself and you only enjoy watching, hopefully, watching my videos, that you can go and buy some of my ornaments in my Etsy shop. So if you want to, just go after, but only after watching this video, go and check my little shop out as well if you want to. And here you can see I am painting jingle bells and the gifts and also the teddy, and on top, as you can see, I applied a bow as well. After it was dry, the clay painted part, I sealed it all with matte varnish, and of course you can use glossy one as well. For a little bit of shimmer, I applied wax paste on my ornament. And then for a snow effect, I use snow crystal pen. And if you want more glitter, just apply glitter when the snow is still wet. And here you go, it is finished, and here it is, my cute Christmas ornament. So if you like this video, please do give me a nice comment or a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please do check me out on other social media, and until next time, bye.